Pawn. Where are you?
Wait, are you the one healing?
No, I'm not healing.
No, shoot him, shoot him, shoot him, shoot him, shoot him.
I'm on the first floor of Black Pawn. Where are you?
We're in the one, like, we're in the corner. We're in the corner closest to school.
Okay. You're not above me then, right? In Black Pawn.
No.
I'm going to second floor now.
I'm fighting Sanitar. I killed Sanitar.
I'm going out of school. I'm going towards the helicopter as well. You get him?
I see a guy. Somebody's shooting at the helicopter.
I'm dead.
Yeah. Who?
I shot him like.
Yeah, I saw you. I saw you. I almost killed him too.
Oh
Yeah,
my
I got the
God.
scab. There's only friendlies in the helicopter.
There's only okay.
What?
Your friend? Wait, are you in the helicopter?
I got disconnected in the helicopter.
Okay. %. Okay, that was another Sanitar's other bodyguard. Shut up! I just killed someone. I just killed 2 players. Oh my god, I'm a god.